Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can fix DM Verity error and DR key error of any Samsung mobile. Okay guys, as you can see, I have a Samsung S6 EG mobile, and guys, today I will show you how we can fix DM Verity error and DRK error. Okay guys, and guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Okay, let's begin the video. First of all, you need to download some files. I will give the link in my description box. Okay, to fix DM Verity error and DRK error, you need to root your mobile. Okay guys, and first just check what is your Android version of your mobile. Okay, this is Android 7, so I will try to root with the version 7 files. Okay, and guys, I have tried to factory reset this mobile but no result. Okay guys, yes, now click power button to reboot this mobile. Okay, S6 EG. And guys, it will come back automatically recovery mode. Okay guys, simply just download this file. If your mobile Android version is 7, okay, I will give the link in description box. Just extract it. Okay guys, and open it. After that, guys, just open within. Okay guys, within, click OK, and select AP, and guys, go to your download folder here and select this one. Okay guys, now just power off your device and press power button, volume minus button and home key to go to the download mode. Okay, okay guys, now click volume up and insert USB cable. Okay guys, and just wait. When you see there, just click start. Okay guys, okay, pass. Now guys, just wait. Your mobile will automatically go to the this screen, and right now click swipe. Okay guys, and you can try to tap on reboot. If your mobile not reboot normally, then you need to install another file. Okay guys, just tap on reboot and system. If you come back to this screen, just install this file. Okay, copy it to your SD card or pen drive or OTG. Okay, just okay guys, I have connect my pen drive using OTG cable. Right now guys, go back here and click install and select storage. Okay guys, click USB storage here and click OK. And guys, this file just select and swipe. Okay guys, and just wait because it will take some time. Don't worry guys, I will give the link in my description box. Okay guys, and here you can see, just select reboot system, just tap it, and guys, just wait because this process will take 5 to 10 minutes approx. Don't worry, just wait until the end of the process. Okay, okay guys, and guys, you can fix all the DM Verity error or DRK error easily using this method. Okay guys, just wait. I have already told you that this process will take some time. Don't worry, just wait. Okay guys, don't worry, it will take some time. Okay, Okay guys, just wait. Just wait guys, no problem, it will take some time. Okay, now guys, simply just set up your mobile. Okay, right now click start and click next. Okay, here you can see we have successfully fixed DM Verity error and DRK error. Okay guys, and guys, this was the tutorial for today. I will touch you the next one. Thank you watching my video. Please share this video with your friends. Take care, have a good day, bye bye.